Hi guys, today a short video. I'll show you how to check what Windows you have or if you want to know what components you have in your PC. So first one will be hold on your keyboard Control, Shift and press Escape. It's going to open Task Manager, or another way is on the taskbar, just right click, Task Manager. You're going to go to Performance. So here first you'll be able to see your CPU. It's going to say which one is. I have Ryzen 7. You can see like other stats of it, memory, you can see how many gigs of RAM you have, the speed of it, you can see all your disks, you can see your internet, and you can see your GPU. Another way is you can go to the File Explorer, right click on this PC, Properties, and here you can see all the things as well. Here is more compact, it's all in one. Installed RAM, the speed of it, your CPU, speed of it, your GPU, how much storage you have, how much is used and how much is free. Here you can see your motherboard, here's more stats of it, what type of storage you have. If you scroll down, you can see what type of Windows you have. I have Windows 10 Home version installed on and built. Well, hope this video helped you, and see you next one. Bye.